Do you sometimes feel like you lack confidence when you're writing applications, or even before you have begun the process of writing application, you feel like you cannot do the work? Maybe you will accomplish, maybe you won't. Do you also have that feeling sometimes? Wonder, ask yourself, am I really the right person for this project? Can I do this? Can I do build this application from start to finish? If you have that feeling, then you're not the only person. And in this video, just in a couple seconds, I'm going to tell you how to get rid of that feeling, because that can kind of ruin you, and it can get really bad over time. Let's say you build an application today, you're like, okay, it's going to be difficult, and you go through it and you are able to build the application. Like next month or a couple of months later, you build the same application, or something similar. This thing is going to be in your head. Can I build it? Do I need someone's help? Am I going to be able to finish it on time? Hit the deadline or not? That is going to happen 100% of the time. But there is a trick that you can um, apply regularly when you're building application, and it will make you super confident. And there's a lot of people I know, they follow this thing, and they are super confident. No matter the scale of the application, they'll tell you, yes, I can build it. That inner confidence, it's coming just out of them, and you can feel the energy as well, that they, the way they're saying that they can do it. And here's the reason why they say what they say, and that is, they only care about end goal. They don't care about how the application is going to be built. They don't care about if the code is going to be clean. They don't care about if they have all the requirements. All they care about, this is the um, goal, and this is what I have to do. And I don't care if I have to duplicate the code. I don't care if I have to call the API multiple times. Uh, if the application is slightly so, I don't care if I don't optimize the database queries. They don't care at all, right? I don't care if I have to catch the exception and just log it instead of doing anything important with it. That's the mentality these people go with. And yes, their application will sometimes take a hit, and there will be problem, but they can quickly fix. They can readjust the application. They can let it break and then just catch the stuff and then just revert, fix things again. But the speed that they go when they're building the application, it's kind of crazy. That's where the confidence comes from. They go at really fast speed. They don't care about anything else. All they want is build the application, a system that works. If it works, they're happy, and they can build the whole application in a month, and their confidence just skyrocketed, right? But if you're a person on the other side, someone who cares about clean code, naming variables properly, making sure you don't pass too many parameters to the function, making sure you don't have global state of the data, making sure you you keep everything private in a class, and you're thinking about everything like that. Whether uh, if there is 10 possibilities, you think about every single possibility. That's gonna just slow the whole process down, and it will eventually um, just take a hit on your confidence. So the people who are really confident, they look at the goal very clearly. They know what they have to do, and they just do it. Yes, their code is not going to be the cleanest. That's the point here. Their code is not going to be the cleanest, but they will get the job done, and their confidence is going to be skyrocketed. And if you're the person who's lacking confidence, just think about this. Maybe your confidence is low because you have not worked on many projects, and when you do work, you think about so many things that you should not care about, right? Especially if you're working for portfolio, you should not care about all those things. You should be skyrocketing. You shouldn't be stopping, waiting like, hey, this is not clean. Maybe I need to make the modifications to the template. Maybe um, too much duplication in the template. No, none of that. Just get the work done, and you're gonna get a lot more confident that way.